If you have over 500 million naira in your account right now and you don't know what to use it for, let me show you this 4-bedroom terrace duplex right here in the heart of Ikate, Lekki, Lagos. Now, this place comes with a communal swimming pool, it comes with a gym area, and so many other beautiful facilities. Now, come in, let's check it out. So you're welcome to this 4-bedroom terrace duplex right here in the heart of Ikate, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Now, the first thing you'll be welcome with is this 5 meters armor door that comes with a fingerprint. You can use your card, access card, to open it, or so many other opening right here. And the next thing you will see is your visitor's toilet. Now, take a look at it. This is actually beautiful. This is how your visitor's toilet is. Very, very nice and very, very exquisite. Take a look at this sitting room. This is actually beautiful. From here, you can see what is happening outside there, and you can see how exquisitely designed this sitting room is. Now, this is your TV console. This is where you can put your games and play with your family, friends, and you can set here as your dining area. The light here is actually very, very nice. I love the settings of this home. Let's go into the kitchen to see what we have in here. Let's go. Now, this is the kitchen area. This is actually the place that is suitable for the queens of any home. This is actually beautiful. You can see the cabinetries, you can see the lighting on the floor. Take a look at these glass cabinetries right here. This is also your burner heater, your 5 burner heater. You have your heat extractor right here. This is not just any heat extractor you will see. This is the modern type of it. And we have your microwave here. You have your oven here where you can, put and enjoy yourself. You can also set an island right this place. You can also set an island. You can see how large this kitchen is. You can set an island here for you to do a lot of businesses. Now, this is your pantry. You can see how beautiful your pantry is. There are a lot of cabinetries here. You can come in, take a look at it. This is actually beautiful. You can store your rice, your beans, and so many other beautiful things right inside this home. Now, let's go upstairs so you can see the rooms we have here. Here we have the first floor, the second floor. This is actually the ground floor. This is where it contains the sitting room and also the kitchen. Let's go upstairs so we can see what we have in here. Let's go. Now, coming to the first floor, you'll be welcome to this beautiful family lounge. This is actually beautiful. You can see how this place is. Now, this is more like your second parlor. You can see the settings right here. We also have your open kitchen right here where you can do some little things in this place. It comes with your oven also. And now, let me tell you, we have 2 rooms right here, and also we have either a BQ, or you can use it for a study room, or you can use it for a gym area. Let's go to the rooms to check out how this place looks like. Now, this is the room. This is the first room. You can see how beautiful, see how exquisite it comes, and it comes all Ensuite, meaning it comes with a wardrobe, it comes with a toilet and a bathroom. This is it. This is actually beautiful. This is actually magnificent. This finishing right here is what I love so much. Now, you can take a look. This is one of the wardrobes right here, and also we have another wardrobe right on here. This is something you don't need to miss out on. Right here in the heart of Ikate, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Now, let's take a look at this second room. You can see this place is actually so exquisite. You can see the finishing right here is so nice. You have your bed. You can also take a look at what is happening outside here. You can also use your remote to control the curtains so that they can move for you. It is actually a smart home, and I know you love smart homes. Now, we have your wardrobe here. We have your toilet and your bathroom right on here. Like I said, it is a smart home, and it also comes all Ensuite. Now, this is your shower. You have your cubicle, you have your WC, and so many other beautiful infrastructures right here in this beautiful environment. Now, this room comes with a balcony. Now, this first floor comes with a balcony. You can come outside here, go to the balcony, take a look at the surrounding and know what is happening. It is raining. You can see how beautiful this environment is. This is not what you need to miss out on. Now give us a call right now with that number on your screen. Let's help you secure this beautiful deal at a very discounted price. Before we go upstairs, I've not shown you what we have here. Now this is the study area. Now you can see how the study area is. You can also use it for your gym area if you want to. You can use it for your study area or your BQ. Any one you choose is left for you to do. This is actually beautiful and it's something you don't need to miss out on. Let's go upstairs. Let's go to the second floor, which entails and comes with 2 rooms. The first one is the primary suite and the second one is just the normal room. Like I said, this is a 4-bedroom terrace duplex right here in the heart of Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria, and it comes with a BQ. Now this is the first one. You can see this is actually beautiful. This is a beautiful masterpiece. See how beautiful and large this is. Now look at your mirror right here. Very exquisite, very nice. This is your bedroom, something you don't need to miss out on. This is actually a beautiful piece. You can just open your window, take a look at what is happening outside and enjoy the gifts of nature. Now we have here your wardrobe where you can put your clothing and so many other things we have in for you. Now let's go to the master's bedroom. Before we go that, you can see here is the waiting room. There you can sit and enjoy with your family, friends, and so many other people. Now let's join me. Come in to the master's bedroom. Look at what we have here. Beautiful at its peak. This is not what you need to miss out on. Now give us a call. Let's get you this beautiful piece. You can see your bed, you can see your frame, your ACs, everything so beautiful. We have here the walk-in closet. There you can come in, walk in, and also take your clothes. This is a lot of wardrobes right here. We have the wooden wardrobe and we also have the glass wardrobe right on here. This is something you don't need to miss out on. And here we have your bathroom. We have your bathtub right here. We have your WC. We have your heat extractor. We also have your cubicle where you can take your shower with your wife, and have that beautiful moment. Here is where you can wash your hand. This is the wash your hand basin for you and also your spouse. Let's go to the balcony to see what we have in this beautiful house. Take a look at this in the sitting room. Very beautiful. It comes also with an inbuilt speaker where you can play music and it would reflect everywhere. Now this is your balcony where you can come, sit with your family, your friends, and enjoy this beautiful view. You don't need to miss out on this. All you just need to do is to give us a call with that number written on your screen. Let's help you secure this beautiful deal. Now this 4-bedroom terrace duplex right here in Ikate, Lekki, Lagos is currently selling for 250 million naira at a discounted price. Before it will go up to 290 million naira. You should give us a call right now. Let's help you secure this beautiful deal. And you can spread payment for up to 1 month if you are looking to pay outrightly, or if you are looking to spread your payment for up to 6 months, which comes and it attracts little interest. You can give us a call. Let's have a good deal for you. My name is Eze Davis and I would love to close with you. I will see you in my next one.